Hey, good evening, everyone. We had such a nice mild day here across southeast Georgia and the low country, especially during the afternoon once the rain turned off. A lot of people probably threw the windows open. You can leave those open this evening, but tonight into tomorrow, all locations will see rain. 100% chance of rain tonight into early Thursday as we go into the weekend. A drier look to the forecast, but just be aware this big wave of rain that's lurking off to our west that includes some thunderstorms, torrential downpours in there. That's all sweeping to the east. That will arrive here mainly after midnight. The showers that were with us a little bit earlier on are progressing their way into South Carolina now, just outside of our viewing area. This is a little batch of some sprinkles or a brief shower could bump into Tybee, the Landings, and make its way toward Hilton Head within the next 30 to 60 minutes. Certainly mild out there. Currently 65 downtown Savannah, 70 in Jessup, low 70s for Albany, and 54 in Birmingham. Pretty easy to pick out where that colder air is currently located, and that will start to slide in our direction, but not until tomorrow. Forecast for this evening, very mild. Good evening to maybe take the dog for a walk around the neighborhood. It will stay in the 60s all the way through tonight. Rain and thunderstorms are likely after midnight. Heavy downpours and wind gusts that may be hitting 40 miles per hour. How much rain are we expecting? These heavy downpours could lead to an inch or more for some of our inland locations right along the I-95 corridor. About a ½ inch to an inch, and this could be some torrential rain later on tonight, and that's why I'm encouraging you close up the windows before going to bed if you did enjoy that nice breath of fresh air today. As we look forward tonight, let's time out the rain chances. Midnight, most of us are still dry. Inland counties will catch the rain first. This is between 3 and 4 a.m. That will come sweeping towards Savannah about right at the start of the morning commute. Some of that rain will linger through the bus stop. Kids will want the umbrella tomorrow morning. And then the cooler temperatures will start to follow as winds kick to the west-northwest tomorrow and start to draw in that cool down. Let's show you the change with our temperatures. 7 a.m. tomorrow morning certainly starts mild in the 60s by midday and afternoon. 50s start filtering in. Goodbye to the 60s, and we are looking at lows in the 30s by Friday morning and daytime highs that will only warm into the low to mid 50s. We are looking at temperatures again below average, and that's probably not a bad thing for this weekend because it's Hilton Head snow day. The kids want to go out there and play in some of that snow, and they want a couple extra layers on. It will be chilly on Hilton Head Island Saturday at Shelter Cove. If you're out there during the afternoon, plenty of sunshine. Temperatures, though, will stay in the low 50s. Here's your most accurate 7-day forecast. 65 degrees, 100% chance of rain tonight into early Thursday. Sunshine, mainly dry weather through the weekend, but no warm up at all. Highs in the 50s, lows near freezing by Saturday morning. And going into next week, yes, that does say highs in the 40s by next Wednesday. Certainly, we will keep a very close eye on that, and you can track all the changes with the WJ